Good afternoon, guys. My name is Hayden Fish. I'm a sales representative here at I-5 Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat here in Chehalis, Washington. Today we have a Jeep Gladiator Rubicon that I'm going to be showing you some features on. Let's go ahead and take a look. So we're going to give an overview of your Uconnect, your 8-inch touchscreen, starting with the media section. Media is going to be where you can listen to your music. So on your left side is where your select source is going to be. You can go from AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. You also have your Bluetooth capability, an option to use an auxiliary cord or a USB port. So if you were actually listening to FM music, if you wanted to save this as your favorite, just hold to set. And now 95.1 is set as number 4. So very easy to set your favorite channels for AM and FM. And you actually have more than 6. You have 12 different channels that you can save as your favorites there. Browsing music is just going to go through different stations to give you a general idea of the music that's on. Audio, you can customize your audio. So you can customize the balance and fade, where you want the music to be in the vehicle, if you want it more centered, more in the front, rear, left, or right. Your equalizer, customize your bass, your mid, and your treble. Speed adjusted volume, so increases volume level relative to an increase in vehicle speed. So instead of getting a whole bunch of road noise when you're going 80 miles per hour, it's going to adjust your music properly if you so wish so. Autoplay basically just means that they'll automatically play the next song, or will automatically play a song when a device is connected either via USB or Bluetooth. So basically what autoplay is. And that can all be found here in the media section. And then you can also put up a little map while you're listening to music as well, if you want to listen to music and see where you are at the same time. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time. If you found this video helpful at all, please leave us a like and subscribe, and we'll have more action coming soon.